Hello everybody, my name's Ron and welcome to my channel. So I created this channel because I don't know about you, but for so many years I've struggled with weight loss and I can never get rid of those extra pounds, right? I've also learned how to develop my muscles, my body. I've learned how to build strength. I've learned how to make better food choices by eating healthier, cleaner foods, and it's helped me with my health and longevity. The way it works is this: two 6-part series. The first 6-part series is designed for you to be able to watch the 6 videos in that series and do everything yourself. So I don't only describe basic stretching and why having a balance is important, but I also describe different exercises. I also talk about supplements and protein powders and creatine. So basically, now those videos, you're going to be able to just follow it along, and then you can download the strength training plan and the weight loss plan at the end that you can follow in the gym. So those are designed for you to lose that weight and to get stronger in the gym. But then you're going to go to you can start with whichever one you want to start with first. You can start with the exercise or the weight loss. That one is more designed for the food, right? So that one has 6 parts in that series, right? And I talk about, like I said, I talk about food plans. I talk about why people struggle to lose weight. I talk about how to overcome it. I talk about the different foods. And then at the end of everything, I even give you guys a shopping list. And I give you all the food plans you need. So you can download the shopping list, eat healthier, just follow that. You don't have to follow anything else. Just don't think, just follow these plans, right? And you're done. That's all you got to do. And I just ask you to subscribe. That's all I'm asking. That's what I'm charging. Subscribe. I would appreciate it anyway. And share, because this stuff right here could save somebody's life. You know, once you start eating cleaner and you start exercising, you know, stuff doesn't stick to you the same. And a lot of times you can overcome illness and you can get in great shape like I did. So, all right. So besides that, there's a whole bunch of other videos on there, right? I got videos from my garden in the backyard. I have an organic garden. I want to show people that you can create your own garden. But that's on the side, okay? I have motivation. Those are going to be very important because you'll see every week I'm putting out videos to motivate you to keep going, to get in there. Because really, the only thing stopping you is your brain, you know, your mind. We got to overcome that, right? So then you're going to see a lot of videos of me and my dog, Henry. Come here, boy. So this is Henry, you guys, okay? Henry's going to be in a lot of those videos. You'll see. He's cute. Can't help it. You'll also learn on this channel is, you know, that you can follow a food plan easily, right? You can build the strength you need and the exercise. You can exercise for longevity. I'm going to teach you guys the truth about health and weight loss, right? Not just trends or propaganda. If you want to live longer, you want to lose those unwanted pounds finally and feel great, then subscribe. Watch the videos. I'm recommending the first video to watch is probably the one about my story, my journey, because at least that'll help you understand how I got here and why, you know, I lost people to illness and how I've overcome many health issues over the years. And I'm surprised that I'm here, but I'm here now and I feel good and I look good and I want to share and show you guys how you guys can do that too. So like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.